the matter this way, and in response, it would go that way. Okay? If rho plus p is 0, that is matter where you push it and there's no response. Sorry, you push it and there's an infinite response. This is the inertial mass density. As the inertial mass density goes to 0, the same pressure gradient gets you a bigger and a bigger and a bigger response, and the response in this equation that diverges as rho plus p goes to 0. In other words, the same pressure gradient gives you larger and larger and larger response, diverging as rho plus p goes to 0. So if you have a theory of matter in which rho plus p goes to 0, you better watch out for velocity instabilities as that happens. And if it goes the other side, it will be totally non-physical, because when you push it this way, it'll go the other way. Now, there are some people trying to push this idea at the moment in cosmology. They are using the phrase shadow matter. Whenever you see the phrase shadow matter, you better worry about whether this is physics or imagination. Okay, we've had quite a session today. Where's Jeff? Should I carry on a little bit or stop? I think we stopped at this point.
If not, then... Oh, sorry. Yes.
Do you think there is input of energy into the system, or is it a closed existence with no input at any time?
Well, the old steady-state universe, in a sense, was suggesting there was an input. In fact, that's exactly what it was. Fred Hoyle modified the equations of gravity to include a creation term, which was an input from outside. It is possible that that could happen because we can only test energy conservation to certain limits. And in the Fred Hoyle theory, you were only getting one hydrogen atom per cubic megaparsec per century or something like that. And it's a scale where it is incredibly difficult to test. So if anybody says to you, is energy and momentum actually conserved exactly, what you have to say is, well, experimentally, I can never prove it is exactly true. We have theoretical reasons for believing it may be exactly true to do with symmetries and theories and so on. But the standard view will be the system is closed, energy and momentum conservation is exact.
Any other questions? Okay, if not, then we should thank Professor Ellis again. And we're heading down to the Baxter Theatre for lunch. For those of you who have a car or something that want to get there, you can drive down to Baxter. The rest of us are going to walk. We're going to walk back up again. So just there's a bunch of people who know how to get there from here. Just follow them. I'm going down the road. Okay. So for those of you who are not walking, we'll meet again at the Baxter for lunch from about 12:30 onwards.
Okay, this was more or less what you wanted.
This is exactly what I wanted.
Okay, good.
So you're coming down to